Hello guys, this is Eliazer The1st. Welcome to the last minutes with Eliazer The1st. So, with me here we have these units I, these SI units I, or prefixes I, the ones which go by the name Fento, and then they start actually somewhere way back, and then they finish with the iota I. So these ones I've seen them in many subjects I've seen them in many courses. They repeat themselves, so I am just going to talk about them and their uses and a very easy way of remembering them that's our main aim so what do you know about these things we know them, they're femto up to somewhere iota there. So what do you know about them? So I started with femto. Actually, I wanted to end somewhere where there's terra. I wanted to end where there's terra, but I added these ones these ones. So for now, let's focus on ending patera. So one thing that I know, or how I remember this, how to remember this properly, is that this has a it has a prefix I, which has a in number form. It means it is 1 times 10 to the power 1 times 10 to the power about 1 to the power 10 to the power 15, negative 15. So and this terra also is 1 times 10 to the power 15. So you see it has 10 to the power 15, negative 15, 10 to the power 15. So that is the way to remember these things so this one has 10 to the power 3 or 10 15 so it everywhere it just decreases by 3, it decreases by 3, but when it reaches the 3, it now becomes it now goes just normally the 3 2 1 again, it goes to 3 1 2 3 and then it increases again starting by 3 3 3 3 until it reaches the 15 here so since I've said this is 15 so this one should be 12, this one should be to the 10 to the power 10 to the power this is by 3, don't forget, so 10 to the power 9, this will be 10 to the power 6, this will be 10 to the power 3 itself, 10 to the power 3, and this should be 10 to the power 2 I said I want to reaches 3 oh, don't forget these are negative numbers. So this is the secret I want to show you. So from there, and then it increases again, so meaning this is also like 12 but 10 to the power 12, and then it decreases, so these are negatives, these are positives, so it goes like that, negative, positive so the easy way to remember these things, don't forget I've said that it starts, we are starting from 15, negative 15, and going to 15 but in the middle we see that the difference is 3 3 3 3 3, and it reaches the number 3 when it reaches the number 3, it now goes to 2 1, and then goes again 1 2 3 again, starts increasing by 3 so these are negatives and these are positives. Easy way of remembering them, it goes so this is fi, so this is f, so this is it, femto, pix, nano, micro, milli, centered, deci, deca, hated, kilo, mega, given, tera. So that's how you remember from negative 15 to 15 so I repeat again: femto, pix, nano, micro, milli, centered, deci, deca, hated, kilo, mega, given, tera. So if you want to add on, you can add on these other ones so the other ones is beta, hexa, zeta, iota. So it just even makes sense from the beginning to the last femto, pix, nano, micro, milli, centered, deci, deca, hated, kilo, mega, given, tera, beta, hexa, zeta, iota. So it makes sense from the beginning to the last. So when you're adding these ones don't forget I said that it always increases by 3. So from 15, so by 3 again, this should be what? This should be 18 this should be 18, 10 to the power 18, this should be 10 to the power 21 21, this should be 10 to the power 20 24 10 to the power 24 until it reaches the iota. That's how it goes. It never changes, it just goes like that up to the last. So that's how you remember this. So now from remembering this, I said, let me repeat again one last time: femto, pix, nano, micro, milli, centered, deci, deca, hated, kilo, mega, given, tera, beta, hexa, zeta, iota. I earlier mentioned to say that these prefixes or these signs we see them mostly in many subjects or in many courses. So in physics and chemistry and then I think also in math they are used the same way so in physics they use as prefixes I, and for in conversions I, where you're dealing with dimension analysis, you find them on conversions. You also find them also in chemistry, again also on conversion. We also find them also in CS110I. So in CS110 you find them, you mostly find starting from kilo there. I've seen them starting from kilo going up to the zeta iota. I found them there. What are they doing there? You find them there, storage capacities or storage terms. You find them, this is still kilo, this is still mega, this is still giga, this is still tera, this is still the same way, beta, exa, zeta iota. The only difference there is that they have given them different terms. So this one in physics, in PH110, in physics and chemistry, you find that its meaning is mostly 10 to the power 3, sorry, not negative 3 to the power 3. That is kilo I. But in this case, they are changed because represented more in bytes, in forms of bytes, because this is CS110 storage capacities. So you find that it is used as 2 to the power 10. This is 2 to the power 20. This is 2 to the power 30. This is 2 to the power 40. To the power 6 is 50. To the power 2 to the power 70. This is 50, 60. This is 70. And this is 80. 2 to the power 80. So that's how they are used, CS110I. But you can still use the same way of remembering them I. So this is starting from kilo. So don't forget kilo, mega, given, tera I. And then beta, exa, zeta iota. Beta, exa, zeta iota. But just different meaning I, from 10 to 80. 10 to 80. But yeah, so don't forget, I said what from femto is femtopix nano, micro milli-centered, decidecahated, kilo, mega, given, tera, beta, exa, zeta iota. So the same way, the same meaning I, but just CS110 they change because the storage capacities which are used in base 10 I. But I'm not saying that 10 to the power 3 is the same as 2 to the power 10 I. There are two different things I. There are two different things. These are two different things giving two different answers I. Yeah, but at least we know I. Easy to remember, easy to capture. Thank you very much.